In '94, unto this world, an epic story was unfurled, taking bikers' hearts by storm and molding function into form. A vehicle that sparked desire, set the racing world on fire. As with fury it would strike into the world of superbike. By an L-twin it was driven, Desmo actuation given, every inline four outstriven. It took home the champion's crown, writing names in books of history. Rend'ring tyres burned and blistery, leaving rivals with a mystery. It achieved timeless renown. Modern art in a museum, it was copied fast by many. Less machine than sentient being, it inspired more than any what a motorbike could be. How an engine comes to life, how as humans only we like to dance on a sharp knife. Into the future 30 years, we are still all eyes and ears, when from far the thumping nears, our hearts yet skip a beat. As again it takes the stage, spitting, firing, roaring rage, bringing back a golden age, and the thrill on which we feed. In our lives so short and fleeting, our hearts we must keep beating, seeking meaning in the never, searching, dreaming on forever of those things that are transcendent, of those things that are resplendent, of those things that we admire, symbolizing something higher, blessing each and every day, keeping whims and woes at bay, medication in a way that is more than a quick fix, until the day that all is old, this one story will be told, of a bike in red and gold, the eternal 916.